Unlock the power of USB HID development and create your own devices with ease. Limited resources make it challenging for beginners to start with USB HID. Most people struggle to find clear and practical resources for USB HID development. Our comprehensive series of ebooks takes you from beginner to expert, guiding you through real-world USB HID projects. Are you ready to unlock the world of USB HID development? With our Basic Edition plan, you'll go from curious learner to confident creator in no time. Our Basic Edition includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive our comprehensive ebook designed to make USB HID development simple and accessible. Learn how to build USB HID devices like mice and keyboards, step by step. We've included explanatory video lessons that guide you through every concept. With hands-on projects like creating a USB HID mouse and keyboard, you'll gain real-world experience to apply what you've learned. Need resources? No problem. We provide downloadable code examples, firmware, and libraries to make your development seamless. Challenge yourself with quizzes at the end of each module to test your knowledge and track your progress. Ready to advance? The Gold Edition includes everything from basic plus touchscreen development, custom HID devices, and access to a supportive community. For the full experience, the Platinum Edition includes personal coaching, project feedback, all future updates, and a certificate of completion. With our ebooks, you won't just learn theory, you'll create real, working USB HID devices. Ready to get started? Choose your plan and start building your own USB HID devices today. Visit us at usbhid.com to learn more and enroll.